You're spending $2,000 a month for product photography. Your competitors just made a better ad for $9 using AI. Hi, I'm Nazmul Saqib, an AI ad expert. Welcome to Z Tempest. Here's the truth. Nobody in agency world wants you to hear. The old way of making video ads are broken. You book a studio, you hire a photographer, you pay a model, you wait for 2 weeks for your editing. After all that money and time, half the shoot still didn't convert. Well, that's not a content problem, that's a system problem, obviously. Your competitors are 3 campaigns ahead of you. They're testing 5 different ad angles a day. And you're still waiting for round 2 of revision. You're just waiting and losing your time. Every day you wait, you're just losing time. You're losing spend, you're losing algorithms trust, you're losing sales to someone who moved faster than you. So let me show you what's actually possible right now. Not in 6 months, not someday, it's today. At Z Tempest, we use AI to turn one single product photo into an entire ad campaign. Different angle, different background, different scene, a kitchen counter, a luxury shelf, outdoor in a golden hour. Different modes for different platforms. Instagram, TikTok, Meta, whatever you need. No studio booking, no model, no 2 weeks wait. What used to take 2 weeks and thousands of dollars now takes a minute for a fraction of cost? It's stupid simple. 3 easy steps. Step 1, you upload a clean photo of your product. Step 2, your AI generates dozens of scroll stopping variations specifically to convert. Step 3, you pick your favorites, plug them into your ad account and launch. And that's it. No design team, no back and forth email, and no waiting. We have already helped brands cut their production cost by over 80% and launch new ad creative 10 times faster without losing that premium and scroll stopping look that actually makes people stop and buy. That isn't a gimmick. This is how the fastest growing brands are already operating. You're just seeing it right now. And no, this isn't AI slow. This is trained, tested, conversion focused, and creative. The difference between AI ads that flop and AI ads that makes money is the system behind them. That's exactly what we built. So here's the deal. You can keep paying agency prices for content that takes forever. Or you can do what smart brands are already doing. Comment below AI and I'll personally show you how it works. Follow and subscribe Z Tempest. This isn't the future of product ads, it's already here and it's leaving slow brands behind.